Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your likes on Facebook. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to simply open up Facebook app on your mobile phone. So after opening up Facebook app on your mobile phone, here you guys have to simply tap on the top right corner of three horizontal lines and your profile icon. So you guys have to simply tap on it. It will provide you a menu. In the menu you guys have to simply scroll down until you find an option which is settings and privacy, and in the settings and privacy you guys have to simply select the settings. So after selecting the settings, here you guys have to simply scroll down until you find an option which is activity. So here in the your activity section, you guys have to simply tap on the activity log, which is first option. So after selecting that, here it will provide you lots of menus. So in this option, you guys will be able to see all of the activities you have made on Facebook. So you guys have to simply tap on the top left of. So here you guys have to simply tap on the activity history. So after tapping on activity history, here you guys have to simply tap on the filters button. After tapping on filters button, you guys have to simply tap on categories, which is first option. And after tapping on that, it will provide you a list of all categories. You guys have to simply select the option which is your Facebook activity. So you guys have to simply select the first option. In the first option, and here you guys have to simply select the first option which is comment and reaction. You guys have to simply tap on it and click on the last option which is likes and reactions. So after tapping on that, it will provide a list of all the likes which you have made on Facebook, and in this way you guys can see likes on all the Facebook. I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.